Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing very well. Since kids are home nowadays, so it is difficult to engage them. Here I am sharing 5 activities which are zero cost and which can be done very easily at home without any arrangements. So let's get started with these activities. First activity is alphabet treasure hunt, for which I have just made these small chits and on which I have written A to Z, and everywhere I have mentioned a place. So these chits I'm going to hide at these specific places and the kid has to arrange them in order after finding them. So are you excited for the activity?
Yes.
Okay, so what you have to do is I have made these chits from A to Z. First chit I'll give you. Like here it's bedroom window. So when you will get the first chit, you will get the clue to the other chit, okay? And you have to find from A to Z, all you have to find. Okay. Once you are done, there's a message for you on the last one. Let's start. What on V you got? B.
Sofa.
Sofa. Go. Quick, 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 quick. So it can be above the sofa, under the sofa, anywhere near the sofa, okay? You found it?
Yeah. So
What says the third one?
bedside table. What do you mean?
Bedside table. Then we have bedside tables now. Yeah. Go. So that's the third clue. You got it? How do you play?
Yes.
You found it?
See, main door.
Main door. Okay, go. You found it? What is that one?
Bathroom 1.
For me, it took only 15 minutes to prepare these chits. For him, it is going to take at least 1 hour to be engaged. So this is a very good activity to keep them engaged. You also please try it. What it says? What does it say?
I love this activity.
Yes. What does it say? The last message says, I love you. You did it. Yes, you did it. Give me a high five. You loved it?
Yep, I did. It's one in my favorites.
It's one of your favorites? So the first activity was surely Anna's favorite. Next activity is this piggy bank hunt coins. For this I have added some of the coins in this rice box. You can use sand box, you can use a dal box, you can use anything from which the kid can find these. So Anna,
This one is 25, right?
yes, Anna has sorted these many coins. This is Anna's piggy bank and all this will go in the piggy bank.
1 cent. All this?
All of this.
Yes! I'm gonna be rich.
You gonna be rich?
No,
So second activity was also Anna's favorite. Third activity is fun with ABC. For this I have used this toilet roll cuttings. You can use cardboard, you can use paper, you can use anything which is available. On this I have written A to Z. Now Anna has to arrange them all and make some words with these. First you have to arrange them from A to Z like this, okay? And then you have to make 10 words
10.
out of these. 10 words. It can be small, big, any words, and you can write those words in the notebook. So the kids who are younger than 4 years old, you can just ask them to arrange these alphabets from A to Z. Anyone who is elder to 4 years old, you can ask them to make the words like Anna is making. Anna is 6 years old and a big boy. Ace. Good. E. This is a very good activity for their brain development, for their curious minds, and also for making them learn new words. They can also check these words in the dictionary if they don't know the meaning, or they can ask their parents. So fourth activity is sorting the beans, for which I have just added these different kinds of beans in this big container, and I have asked Anay to sort them out in different bowls. So if your kid is very young, please be with him or her. This is a very good activity for hand and eye coordination, and it improves their brain development. Now fifth and the last activity is find my partner, for which I have mixed all these earrings which were already mixed, and I wanted to sort them out since long. So I am taking Anay's help and I'm asking Anay to sort them out and keep them in this container. So since this is a zero cost activities video, I have used these earrings. You can use socks in place of these earrings. You can use matching stickers, some colorful balls, whatever is available with you. You sorted them all?
Yeah.
Good. Thank you so much, Anay. Give me a high five. So these are some of the activities for today which has helped me to keep him busy and happy at home. There are many more activities which I have shared on my channel, for which the link I will share in the description box to check them out. They are also very low cost or zero cost activities which you can do at home with your kids. So I hope you like this video, and if you like it, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you are new to the channel. I'll see you with another set of activities soon. Do take care of yourself and your family and be safe at home. Bye bye.